Morning. This question, if tan square a equal to 2 tan square b plus 1, then we have to find the value of cos 2a plus sin square b equal to what? Option A 0, option B 1 by 2, option C minus 1, option D plus 1. See, first we can find its solution. Then this question can be answered easily by verification method. After the solution, I will tell you the shortcut method. First, see, this tan square a can be written as sin square a by cos square a, and here 2 sin square b by cos square b plus 1. Here just we can take LCM, which is equal to cos square b will come. This 2 sin square b can be written as sin square b plus sin square b. Taking LCM, we get cos square b whole divided by cos square b. Now you know this sin square b plus cos square b is nothing but 1. We can replace it. Sin square a by cos square a equal to sin square b plus 1 by cos square b. Okay, now just we can take the cross multiplication. Sin square a into cos square b, sin square a into cos square b equal to sin square a into cos square b, then cos square a sin square b plus cos square a. Now you just look at our required data. Cos 2a plus sin square b. So we don't need sin square a. We want cos 2a. To get sin square b, this cos square b can be changed as 1 minus sin square b equal to sin square b is there, so we need to get sin square b, so we don't want to disturb sin square b. This cos square a can be changed into 1 minus sin square a, and here this cos square a can retain the same, and here it is sin square a minus sin square b, and sin square a minus sin square a into sin square b equal to 1 into sin square b minus sin square a into sin square b plus cos square a. Here the sin square b and sin square b will get cancelled. Then sin square a equal to sin square b plus cos square a. We can take this sin square a to right side. Here 0 only will be there. Already sin square b plus cos square a and this sin square a. Now you know this one is cos 2 theta formula, so cos 2a, hence cos 2a plus sin square b equal to 0. It is there in option A. Now what I am saying to you, this question can be found its numerical value easily. Just listen me. Instead of doing this much of calculation, it will be very easy. See, one equation is given, tan square a equal to 2 tan square b plus 1. We can put values for capital A and B so that this equation should get satisfied. If so, I am taking 45 degree for A. See, just take 45 degree. Then this left side will become tan 45, 1 square 1 only. And right side also we should get 1. If so, already 1 is there. This term should become 0. So I take B equal to 0. Listen me. This A equal to 45 and B equal to 0 will satisfy our given equation. Tan 45 1, B equal to 0. This term will become 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So both sides are equal for A equal to 45 and B equal to 0. Now the same could be applied for our required part. Cos 2A plus sin square B cos 90 degree plus sin 0. Cos 90 is 0, sin 0 is 0. So answer is 0. Through this verification method also we can get the answer. Fine.